Hey y'all, today we're going to make you a shrimp po' boy. We're going to start off with some remoulade sauce. So what I have in here is 1 cup of mayonnaise. Use your favorite. This happens to be Blue Plate. I got in here 2 teaspoons of Dijon Mustard, 2 teaspoons of horseradish. We're going to put that right in there. And then I diced up 2 small dill pickles. Half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Now we're going to put in the zest of about a teaspoon of lemon zest in this. And we're actually going to cut this lemon in half. We're going to use the juice of half of a lemon. Get that seed out of there. Give it a good whisk. Get this mixed up real good. Now I'm also going to hit this with just a little bit of Heath Riles Cajun Creole garlic butter. Just a little bit. Give it that little extra pop. Again, give it a good mix. This is what it should look like. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator setup while I show you how we're going to bread our shrimp. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we're going to mix up our breading for the shrimp. So we got here, this is about 2.5 cups of cornmeal. We're just going to season this up with a little bit of Malcolm's King Crawl from How to Barbecue Right. I'm going to go with about a teaspoon of that. Then we also got some Simple Citrus rub by Heath Riles. If y'all ain't tried this, both these rubs are excellent. You got to season up that cornmeal because I don't know where you buy yours at, but mine don't come seasoned. So we're just going to give it a good stir. Get all that well incorporated. We're just going to set this off to the side for now. Now, for our wet ingredients, we're going to take about 2 cups of buttermilk. We're going to add it here to our bowl. So that's about half of this container. To it, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. And again, I'm going to season this as well. I'm going to use Malcolm's King Crawl in it. And we're also going to put some of Killer Hogs hot sauce in there. Just a couple tablespoons. Now we're going to whisk this good. Okay, so what we have here are about 2 pounds of 16-20 count. So these are large shrimp that we peeled, took the tails off. We're going to go ahead and season these up. And on this, I'm just going to use the Simple Citrus rub by Heath Riles. We're going to give these a toss, and then I'll show you how we're breading them. You want to get these good and coated. Just give them a quick toss in this. Again, you can see, so all 3 things we're using for this breading are going to be seasoned well. Throw that guy back in. Still both of them trying to swim the hell away with freaking tails and everything off of them. So those are seasoned good. Now we're going to show you how to bread them. So we got our station set up here. So we're going to take a few of these shrimp at a time. We're going to put them in this buttermilk, get them good and coated. If you need to wear a glove, wear a glove. I'm not. We're just going to dip them right in here. And then we're going to put them in here one at a time. Get them good and coated. We're going to lay them out here on a cookie sheet with parchment paper. So we're just going to give them a quick toss in this cornmeal that we seasoned real good. Shake off any excess. Just start laying them out here. We're going to repeat this until we do all of the shrimp. Okay, so we have all of our shrimp coated here. We're going to set probably about 6 or 8 of these in here into our fryer. You could use a Dutch oven or whatever you have at home to fry these. It's probably only going to take 2-3 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And floating to the top. We get in there, Bill. We got 7 in there. We'll drop these guys down. Once he's done, we'll pull them out. We'll do the next batch. Okay, it's been a little over 2 minutes. You can see these things are looking right. What I've done is I got a pan over here with some paper towel in it. We're just going to transfer them to that, and we're going to continue until we cook all these shrimp up. And then we're going to show you how to build that po' boy. Okay, we're just going to hit these. Man, these turned out good. Nice and crunchy. Gotta admit, we tried one. We're just gonna hit it, top it off with a little bit of this king crawl over the top, and we're gonna put these, I got my grill over here just on warm. We're gonna put these in there, keep them warm, and we're gonna show you how we're gonna dress this sandwich. So we got ourselves a nice tomato here, and we're just going to slice us some nice thin slices. And we also got some shredded lettuce we're going to put on our sandwich. Okay, so we got a real nice crusty roll here. We're just going to, we buttered. I'm going to flip this guy over. Gonna get it toasted. Now if you don't have a griddle at home, that's fine. You can always use a skillet, anything like that. You just want to get a little toast on there. We buttered that up real good, and you want to use a good sturdy crusty roll for this. This won't take long. Just want to get it warmed and toasted a little bit, and we're going to show you how to build the rest of the sandwich. That's about what we're looking for right there. Nice little toast on her. Let's take her over and build a sandwich. Okay, so we got our bread toasted, got the shrimp, keeping them warm. Now we're going to dress this sandwich. So we got our remoulade sauce that we made here. We're going to take this guy and just give it a good smear down each side. Don't be scared. We're putting a lot of shrimp on this bad boy. So you're not going to use too much. So just get her good and coated. It'll soak into that roll real nice. Now we're going to get our shrimp out. We're going to load this bad boy up. You can put as little or as much as you like on here. Yeah, get it. I'm going to be able to close it a little bit. Maybe one more down here. So now we're going to hit it with some shredded lettuce. If you want to skip the lettuce, you can. If you want to skip the tomatoes, you can. That's how we like it. Nice tomatoes here. Lay these out. We're going to give it a squeeze of a lemon. And then we're going to come back across the top with some of that simple citrus. So that is a monster of a shrimp po' boy. And I got to tell you, we're eager to try this thing. It looks delicious. I'm sure it's going to turn out amazing, but just going to kind of squeeze this down in there a little bit. Get everything knocked down, and then let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. You got to give it a bite.
Got to.
That's a banger. Oh. Pick up the lemon, the citrus rub. Getting some really good flavor from that remoulade sauce. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Fairly easy, takes a little bit of time. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Get you some. Whoa.